Show of hands, who is in need of a little R&R these days? We know here at P&J, sometimes the best winter days or nights are spent inside, with some good old self-care. That's why today we wanted to share 2 essential DIY products we know you will love. Follow along to learn how to make this heating pad and green tea bubble bath suds. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. Bundle up with your heating pad on a cold winter evening, or use your new bubble bath suds, scented like rain. If you liked this craft, be sure to take a look at more skincare DIYs on our channel.